Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn shapes and colors. First, let's start with colors. Orange color, yellow color, red color, brown color, purple color, sky blue color, light green color, black color, blue color, white color. Let's start draw some 2D shapes. Circle. This is a circle. Circle. Heart. This is a heart. Heart. Octagon. This is an octagon. Octagon. This is an octagon. Octagon. Square. This is a square. Square. This is a square. Star. This is a star. Star. This is a star. Triangle. This is a triangle. Triangle. Let's revise again. Circle, heart, octagon, square, star, triangle. Let's paint. Blue color, circle. Circle, blue color, circle. Orange color, heart. Heart, orange color. Heart, orange color. Yellow color, octagon. Yellow color, octagon. Yellow color, octagon. Brown color, square. Brown color, square. Brown color, square. Purple color, star. Purple color, star. Light green color, triangle. Light green color, triangle. Circle, blue color, heart, orange color, octagon, yellow color, square, brown color, star, purple color, triangle, light green color. Let's match the colors. Blue color, circle. Orange color, heart. Yellow color, octagon. Brown color, square. Purple color, star. Light green color, triangle. Kids, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.